you lower your tone when you're talking to me when I'm wearing this hair. Okay, you lower your tone when you're talking to me when I'm wearing this wig. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. We hope you joined the family by clicking the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, hi my loves, how you guys are doing? Anywho, so today is a hair review, hair plug. Today we're working with World in Beauty. Let's see what happens. Oh, WorldNewHair. WorldNewHair, and it comes in a packet like this. So they gave me some goodies. You guys know how excited I get for goodies, because I don't know what's up with my lighting, but like it's gloomy outside, so I don't really have natural light. Let me see. It's very gloomy outside. I don't know if this is better or what. So the lighting is very, there's a shortage. Anyway, so inside, because I already took out the wig, they gave me a headband, a wig cap, and their contact card, and then a beautiful hairpin. I like these type of hairpins. Some lashes. These lashes are bomb. And guys, I don't know what this is. I honestly don't know what this is. Let's see. I don't know what this is, guys. But it's, I hope you guys can see it. I don't know what this is for, honestly. But yeah. Oh, there's some more stuff. Elastic band, their card, and a head wrap. I hope, because I need a new one. Yes, and I like how thin this one is. Literally perfect. Yeah. So let's get to the hair. Okay, y'all guys better lower your tone when you talk to me with this one. All right. So they sent me a 14-inch frontal bob, but it's ginger. You ain't gonna tell me shit now, baby. But anyway, it's a 13 by 6 or 4. 13, I think it's a 13 by 6 lace frontal, and it just looks like that. And then inside here is the construction of the wig. It has adjustable straps and 3 combs. 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep. So it's a 14-inch, 150% density. Not really sure what's density, but it looks like a 150 because it's 4. It's nice and 4 and 4. So because it is a color thingy, I just want to do a shading test. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that. 1 strand, 0, 0, 2. So shading is minimal, really, for a bleached wig. Is proper. So let's just get into installing this baby. I am so excited. Like, I'm not selling this one, sorry. Sorry. Anyway guys, let me start talking and let's get into installing this wig. Alright guys, so steady. So what I did after cutting the lace is I just laid the hair and put a hairpin. I did not even do no baby hairs or whatever. That's because my lighting is like fucking me up today. That's because the wig is slightly plucked already and the knots are bleached already because it is a colored wig. So I'm just gonna fix it up and we are good to go. Easily my favorite wig. Easily so, like easily my favorite wig. Straight, like I'm not even, like it's not even a debate or nothing, bro. It ain't even a debate or nothing. I got glue on my forehead. Like I don't have time for this. So I just wanna straighten it. But otherwise this hair is bomb, guys. Like I cannot even, the texture, the texture, forget the color, the texture. Like guys, this hair is so soft. This hair is so soft, like it's so, oh man. Okay, I just want to straighten it so we can finish. Listen to me. Listen to me. Hello? Yeah, you. Listen. Come closer to me. Come closer to me. You lower your tone when you're talking to me when I'm wearing this hair. Okay? You lower your tone when you're talking to me when I'm wearing this wig. Okay? Which level? Which level is this? Which kind of wahala be this one? Omo. I didn't find Sha. Who want marry me? Oh my fucking gosh. I love this hair to the moon and back. Okay, I love this hair to the moon and back. Okay, shout out to World New Beauty. Is it World New Beauty? World New Hair. Shout out World New Hair for sending me this beautiful, 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 beyond beautiful bob wig. I love the color. Literally, I love everything about it. I liked that it came slightly pre-plucked. Did not do any baby hairs. Did not do much to this hair. All I really needed to do was put on my head, cut the lace, and then style it, and then that's it. I didn't need to pluck anything, didn't need to bleach nothing. Like, this hair is bomb, not gonna lie. And as far as the texture goes, like guys, this hair is moving. It's like water, literally. It's so soft. And yeah, I can't wait to take bomb pictures in this hair. But anyway, yeah guys, any information you're gonna need about this hair, because I'm not selling it. So if you want it, you go to the link and buy this wig. Okay, so yeah guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. My lighting is like all over the place today. Don't forget to subscribe and chill. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Okay, I'm gonna see you in my period. Bye. I need to go take pictures. I need to go be hot girl summer.